Hello everyone and welcome back to another in-depth tutorial. Today we're tackling something incredibly helpful for project management, how to bulk move issues from one project to another in Jira. It's a lifesaver procedure once you master it, as it greatly reduces time in managing several individual tasks. Alright, let's dive straight into it. Firstly, you're starting from the search icon at the top of your screen. This is Jira's global search tool, a quick and easy method to sift through all your projects and issues. Go ahead and give it a click. That opens up a dropdown and you're going to select the option that says View All Work Items. Clicking this takes us to the all-encompassing perspective of your tasks, a holistic view of all your Jira work. It may look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going focus on what really counts here. Now you've landed on the page with all your work items spread out before you, and this is where some real magic happens. You can filter the project or the work items that you want. Just slide your eyes over to the filter option and decide what specifics you're looking for. Want to see everything pertaining to a certain project? You got it. Or maybe tasks assigned to a certain team member? Yep, you can do that too. Once you've got your filter all set, click that Apply Filter button. Bam, just like that, everything irrelevant is gone and you're left with just the work items that matter. Make sure you are satisfied with the results. You might need to adjust your filters a bit, and it's totally okay to take a few moments for this. Alright, you got your work items sorted. Great, here comes our next step. You'll see 3 dots and ellipsis on the right side of your screen. Give it a click. From the dropdown, move your mouse down to Bulk Change Work Items and click it. We are about to move some serious mountains here. Or just task lists, but it feels just as triumphant. Now you are on the Bulk Operation page. Click Next and you are presented with Select Operation. Here's where you want to select Move Issues. You're telling Jira what to actually do with those issues you've chosen. Next question on the screen is where do you want to move your project, and this is significant. Take a moment to consider well. Once you've made up your mind, click Next. Now we're at an important point. You'll see a section that says Map Statuses for Story Issues in the My Scrum Space project. You might notice that this doesn't match exactly with what you have on your screen, and that's okay. Just think of Story and My Scrum Space as placeholders for your issues and project. Make sure to map them correctly and then click Next. And finally, you have to do a quick review and confirm all the changes. Make sure everything's exactly how you want it to be, and then give a green signal to Jira to proceed with the bulk move. And voila, sip a victory sip of your coffee because you have just successfully bulk moved issues from one project to another in Jira. I hope this tutorial has managed to make your Jira experience a little more efficient. Please give this video a like if this helped you out. If you hit any snags or have any questions, don't worry. Just drop a comment below, and either myself or this wonderful community will jump in to assist. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.